Today's video is going to be super quick because I have like 10 minutes before I have to go back to work. Today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing. So I'm not subscribed to Boxycharm or anything, but there was like this deal going around in the coupon community that if you bought 2 Summer's Eve products that you got a free Boxycharm, and I use Summer Eve, the little wipes when I'm on my monthly, so I was gonna purchase those anyway, and I think I paid like less than $1. No, I paid $1.27 for 2 boxes of the little wipey wipes, and then I'm getting this free box for free. So yeah, I haven't opened it, so this is gonna be real raw. Can you hear Raymond and Avery? You probably can hear Raymond and Avery. So anyway, a different background. I moved around my like filming room because I was over the like little cheap fabric in the background. So for now, we're just gonna have a plain wall. So anyway, let's get into this so I can go. I'm working a very long shift today, and I'm on a little break. So first we have Boxycharm, like this little postcard thing. Boxycharm, isn't it about time beauty products came to you? Cool. And it just has like information on Boxycharm. Then we have little Summer's Eve coupon. Cute, girl, cute. Damn, this doesn't expire until March. And then this is what like the inside look like. My smile lines are booming today. I've been like trying to combat my smile lines. It has not been working out for me, okay? Ooh, okay. So this is my little box. First we have this little brush set from, I have no idea what this brand is. This little eye brush set. What is the brand? Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie. I have no idea what the brand is. This would be good for concealer, obviously. Okay, cool. Then this is Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer Base. That's what the little tube looks like. This has to be a full size. Okay. I'm pretty sure all the items in this, oh, this is like, oh, it's nude. Okay, cool. Like I was gonna say, the shade's nude. I was gonna say it's a skin tone. I'm pretty sure all these little items are from other boxes. Then we have a Violet Voss liquid lipstick. I don't know why my pinky always has to do that. This is in the shade Sassy. Ooh, no girl, this is not gonna work out for me. Is it a liquid lipstick or is this a, wait, this can't be a lipstick. It says liquid lipstick. I'm good on that. I'm gonna let Avery play with this. I'm good. And then we have something from Galactic Skin Glow. This is in Moonlight. It looks like it's a, maybe not a bronzer, but maybe a highlight in blush. For some reason I keep wanting to say bleach. Highlight and blush situation. I can't open it for shit. Lord. Oh, here we go. It looks like it's cream. Oh yeah, it's definitely creamy. Very creamy product. Let's see. Don't love it, don't hate it. That is a no-go for me. Okay, cool. Moving on. That's a free box, right? Like, and then lastly, we have a eyeshadow palette from Pretty Vulgar, and this is the Nightingale Palette. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, I'm most likely gonna give this away, but it's very pretty. Looks a very cool tone to me. Not gonna swatch it because I ain't got time. Let me know down below if you would like me to attempt to do a makeup look with this, because, you know, why not? And that's the end of this video. Let me know down below what you think of the items that I received. Let me know if you are actually subscribed to Boxycharm and how you like your subscription thus far. And I need to head out the door, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.